Disclaimer: all contents provided by this channel are meant for educational and informational purposes only. It is very important to do your own research and analysis before making any investment based on your personal circumstances. Due diligence is the key. Trading market always has a risk involved.
Hi mga ka-champs! Ngayon ay March 5. So, second day of the week. So, silipin natin kung ano pa mga nangyari for today's market. So, PSEI ended lower by 46 points. So, down tayo na 0.66% to close at 6905 levels. So, our PSEI market is nag-pullback to 6905 levels, mainly due to the faster than expected February's inflation data of 3.4% from January's 2.8%. So, grabe. Grabe pala yung pagtaas talaga ng inflation natin, no? So, for today, bumalik na naman tayo sa Darvas box ni PSEI, showing weakness in the market. PSEI RSI is still nasa bullish, pero nasa downward direction na siya. So, most of the stocks in the PSEI is trading sideways sa buong araw before closing on lower on late selling. So, PSEI ay meron tayo ngayong net foreign buying na 308 million. So, continuous net foreign buying has become a catalyst for our market for the 24th straight days na mga ka-champs. Grabe! Isang buwan ng net foreign buying. Grabe. Tapos, for gainers and losers, ang top 1 natin sa gainers is SM. Up siya ng 2.99%. Si Globe is up din siya ng 1.16%. Tapos, si CNP up siya ng 0.55%. Tapos, for losers, si Jollibee, down siya ng 4.49%. Tapos, next natin, si Converge, down siya ng 3.55%. And last, si BPI, down siya ng 3.08%. Grabe, no? Sa losers, kawawa naman to si Converge. Actually, may awak ako niyan. Pero simula nung lumabas yung news regarding na parang gusto niya i-acquire si Sky Cable, grabe yung pagka-down ng price ni Converge. Hindi gusto ng market yung news niya regarding sa possible acquisition niya kay Sky Cable. So, next natin is for commodities and currencies, mga ka-chubs, ang price ni gold has become unstoppable na talaga dahil grabe, no? Currently, trading at around 2,136 per USD. So, nag-reach na naman siya ng mga new record highs for the year 2024. Ang key drivers behind the rally is including the diminishing yields on the US government bonds and softening instance of the US dollar. Grabe. Ano ba nangyayari sa atin? Sobrang taas ni gold. Grabe. USD to PHP ay nasa 55.99 ang palitan sa ating merkado. Tapos, sa oil naman is ang price niya is nasa 78.31 pesos per USD. So, medyo bumaba siya from yesterday's market due to the prospect of tighter market due to the OPEC plus supply cuts. Tapos, ito talaga yung dahilan, yung concern over the Chinese growth and uncertainty over the pace of interest rate cuts. Tapos, for coal naman, ang price niya is nasa around 137.10 USD. So, increasing little by little. Ito rin yung catalyst ni DMC at saka ni SCC. Mamaya tingnan natin sila. Tapos, yung lastly, si nickel. So, down siya. No, grabe. Mga ka-chubs, ito pala yung mga key datas na pwede nating abangan at pwede rin makaapekto sa mga hawak natin na stocks. So, for March 5, today to, Philippine CPI data, or pwede rin natin siya tawagin as yung inflation natin is lumabas na siya. So, ang expected natin, yung estimate ng mga analysts is nasa around 3.1% lang, pero ang actual natin is nasa 3.4%. Kaya ito rin yung isa sa mga dahilan kaya medyo hindi tayo makaangat ngayong araw. So for March 7, may dalawa tayo, Philippine Industrial Production year to date, saka US Initial Jobless Claims. Tapos for March 8, dalawa din siya, Philippine Unemployment Rate in January, tapos US Unemployment Rate in February. So mga ka-chubs, eto pala, meron tayo ditong schedule of PSE earnings sa release this week. At ito rin ay pwede maging catalyst natin for this week pag maganda ang earnings ng mga companies na to. Sa March 7, si PLDT at si DMCI Holding. So, mga ka-chubs, unahin natin silipin itong dalawang company na to kasi halos magkaparehas lang naman to. Si DMCI Holding Incorporated or si DMC at si Semirara Mining and Power Corporation or si SCC. For charting tayo mga ka-chubs, meron tayo dito Traders Playbook last February 9, 2024. Around that time, ang current price lang ni DMC is nasa 11 pesos per share. And napag-discuss natin doon that our buy price is around 10.50 pesos per share. Pero DMC stock went down only as low as 10.60 pesos per share before going up sa current level niya ngayon na nasa 11.56 pesos per share. So, around that time, ang ating take profit area is nasa around 12.20 pesos per share. So, medyo malapit na siya actually. Pero I still think na mas malaki pa ang upside sa trend natin ngayon. I think na mas malaki pa yung upside ni DMC sa kanyang consensus target at 12.20 pesos per share. Kasi ang price ng coal ngayon sa world market is pataas ng pataas, slowly pataas ng pataas. And this coming April, we expect that DMC and SCC will be declaring yung kanilang dividends. So, pwedeng catalyst din yan. So, ito naman yung chart ni SCC. So, medyo pareha sila ng chart ni DMC. So, year to date, si SCC is up ng almost 14%. So, summary, DMC saka si SCC, possible catalyst, yung dividend declaration niya sa April. Tapos yung pagtaas ng coal price week on week, up siya ng 9.74%. So, mga ka-chubs, ang next nating silipin is si Jollibee Foods Corporation or si JFC, bida ang saya. For Jollibee Food Corporation, one of its director, Antonio Chua Poeng, through Honeyworth Corporation, has disposed a total of 38,380 shares with an equivalent value of 10.4 million pesos at a price ranging 272 to 273.6 pesos per share last February 28. So, last month. So, for Jollibee charting tayo. So, first time lang natin sisilipin to si Jollibee. So, mga ka-chubs, para minasama ng market natin ang disclosure today regarding sa disposal ng mga shares ng director ng Jollibee. Jollibee is currently trading at around 255 pesos per share and currently ay nasa support level siya. So RSI is also showing a very bearish sentiment sa stock na to. And if hindi mag-hold ang support levels niya sa 2.55 levels, ang next na support ni Jollibee ay nasa around 2.40 pesos per share. Pero in the long term, si Jollibee ay merong consensus target na nasa around 300 pesos per share. Mga ka-chubs, next naman natin silipin ay si Aboitiz Power Corporation or AP at si Aboitiz Equity Ventures Incorporated or AEV. So, Aboitiz Power reported net income for the full year of 2023 of 33.1 billion pesos, 27% higher than previous year. The increase was primarily due to the fresh contribution from GN Power Dinginin and the higher availability across the company's generation portfolio. So, Aboitiz Power also declared a cash dividend with a dividend yield of 6.08%. Amount of cash dividend per share is 2.30 pesos per share. Tapos, with an ex-date of March 18. So, medyo malapit na to ha. Tapos, yung type niya is regular. So, for charting naman tayo, Aboitiz Power is currently trading sa around at 37.8 pesos per share. RSI is at 54 levels. So, kakakross lang ni Aboitiz Power sa ating bullish territory. And if gusto nyo sumabay sa dividends ni Aboitiz Power, can accumulate at the current levels. Tapos, ang Aboitiz Power also as a consensus target around 46.75 pesos per share. Tapos, next naman natin, si Aboitiz Equity Venture reported consolidated net income of 23.5 billion pesos in 2023. So, 2% lower than previous year. Tapos, ang kanyang breakdown, yung net regarding sa source of income ni AEV is power accounting for 67%. So, si Aboitiz Power, yung ang related party dyan. Tapos, financial service with 18%. Ang responsible party naman ay si Union Bank of the Philippines. For infrastructure, 6%. Ang responsible party is si Aboitiz Infra Capital at si Republic Cement. For food, 5%. Si Pilmico, yung mga PIDS. Di ba? Tapos, for real estate, 4% naman si Aboitiz Land. Tapos, ito naman yung AEV summary, net income summary. For power, Aboitiz Power recorded a 27% increase in profits, contributing 17.3 billion pesos sa income ni AEV. Tapos, for financial services naman is Union Bank of the Philippines reported net income of 4.5 billion pesos. So, down siya by 29% from previous year. This was primarily due to the cost of the increase in loan loss provision and a 43% surge in operating expenses due to the integration cost of Citibank customers. Tapos, for infrastructure, si Aboitiz Infra Capital, so a 26% increase in net income contribution driven by higher land sales, lease income, and contribution from airport businesses. Tapos, dito rin yung papasok yung si Republic Cement. Yung loss niya is nag-double due to the weak market demand caused by inflation and project delays and unfavorable weather conditions. Tapos, for food sector naman, yung food subsidiary niya delivered a 1.3 billion profit. Grabe. Reversing a 2022 loss, improving margins in flour and agribusiness segment offset challenges in the farms and meat segments. Grabe pala to si si Pilpico pala, grabe kumikita na siya, no? Tapos, for real estate, Aboitiz Land grew earnings by 19% to 1 billion pesos due to the increase in sales, construction activities, and property sales gain. Tapos, si AEV also declared the cash dividend. So, mas maliit nga lang siya compared kay Aboitiz Power. Aboitiz, yung dividend yield niya has only a 2.86%. Amount of cash dividend per share is 1.4 lang. With an ex-date of March 18. Tapos, sa type niya is regular. So, silipin natin yung March dividend calendar natin. So, mga ka-jabs, take note nyo na lang yung mga dates na March 4, 7, 8, 11, 15, 18, at 26. So mga ka-chubs, take note, to qualify, an investor must be already holding a share one trading day before the ex-date. So for the type of dividends, regular, meaning the company is declaring dividends on a regular basis, and special, meaning a one-time payment conducted by a company to distribute assets to its shareholders. So ito pa.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to subscribe to Code Chubby Trader, like the video, and share with family and friends. I will see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.